Home Remedies presents 5 useful things you should know to do with duct tape. Actually, I could spend hours listing all the different ways you can use duct tape, but then we would be here all day. So instead, I decided that I would choose a few of the most useful and practical uses to share with you all. I'm sure by the end of the video, you will agree that it always pays to keep a roll of duct tape handy. Remove splinters. Instead of digging into your skin with tweezers, try this painless method. Soak the splinter area in hot water and Epsom salt. This will help move the splinter closer to the surface. Pat the area dry and apply a piece of tape to the area. After about half an hour, slowly remove the tape. The splinter should come out with it. Removes warts. Many people have successfully removed warts using duct tape. The theory is that if you keep a wart completely sealed off for several days, that you cut off the oxygen supply and suffocate it. To give it a try for yourself, place a piece of duct tape over your wart for 6 days. Leave it alone, no peeking, no water and no air. Removes bugs and ticks. When you notice that a tick or bug has attached to you, you should get rid of it as quickly as possible. Carefully apply a piece of adhesive tape to the tick, creating a kind of fold. Use the adhesive tape to remove the tick. Remove lint. Take a long piece of duct tape and wrap it back around itself so the sticky side is facing out. Then just roll the tape across your clothes to remove the lint and pet hair. Protect your floors. Place duct tape on the bottom of the legs of your furniture. The duct tape layer will help protect your floors from scuffs and scratches. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.